Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your API spec matches the backend contract. Once done, provision keys and certificates and set environment variables on the server so secrets never live in code. Next, create the initial routes with correct HTTP methods and payload schemas. You want request and response shapes to align. Make sure to enable cores only for allowed origins, and document rate limits and auth flows so the front end and any clients behave predictably. You now implement the core integration. Validate, sanitize, and map request payloads directly into your domain models so business logic receives consistent types. Then, wire authentication middleware to verify tokens or API keys and enforce permission checks before any state change. Once authenticated, call internal services with async patterns, add retries and circuit breakers for resilience, and use structured logging with correlation ID so you can trace a request across microservices. You finish by adding tests that cover edge cases and perform end-to-end validation against a staging backend. Once passing, deploy behind a feature flag so you can roll back quickly. Then, configure monitoring for latency, error percentage, and throughput, and set alerts for threshold breaches. Make sure to run load tests to reveal bottlenecks. If something fails, reproduce the request with curl or postman, inspect logs and headers for auth errors, and verify environment variables and certificate chains as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.